there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to build a healthy, happy life. Today it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesdays we share one tip a week related to a common theme. We're actually kicking off a new series this week, so our new theme will be Word Magic, the power of words. And as a former English professor and journalist, I truly believe in the power and the magic of words, and I just want to share that with you. Did you know that ancient people believed that written words were actual magic? Because when they saw someone read a book and when they got finished, they knew things that they didn't know before. And that was absolute magic. And that's actually how we came up with the term spelling, because they believed that individual words were tiny spells, and when you put them together, you actually created magic. In fact, even J.K. Rowling agrees that words are our most inexhaustible source of magic, and she should know. She's sort of an authority on both magic and words. As the first billionaire female author, she knows a little something about what she says, and so she says that words are, in fact, our most inexhaustible source of magic, and I absolutely agree. Now, to take that to a more personal level, think about it this way. If I said to you, "Do you feel okay? Did you sleep all right last night? Because you look kind of pale." Maybe it's that sweater. I've never seen you wear that color before. That must be what it is. All day you're going to walk around thinking, "Oh Lord, I wish I'd worn something different. Do I feel okay? I'm not sure I do. Oh." And you're just going to drag yourself around all day, take that sweater off when you get home, and quite possibly never wear it again. I've cast a little spell on you with my words. Now, by the same token, and in the same instance, if I said to you, "Hey, you look great today. I think it's that sweater. That's a great color on you." All day you're going to walk around proud that you made that wardrobe choice, proud of your style, proud of the way that you look, feeling like you look fresh and vibrant. I've cast a little spell on you again, but in a good way. So the power of our words is, we don't even realize it sometimes. Sometimes just a small compliment can make an enormous change in someone's day, can even save their life if presented at the right time and in the right way. So be very careful with the power of your words. You can change someone's day, their week, their entire life with something simple that you say. They cost us absolutely nothing, and they mean so much to others. So use your words carefully and kindly. Now, we talk a lot about magic words. Please and thank you being magic words. Well, okay, but there are lots of other words that are absolute magic, and we don't even realize it. We're casting little spells on ourselves and others with with all words that we use. But there are some that are very specific, and when you use them in the right way, they raise people up, they brighten their day, they enrich their experience. But when used in other ways, they bring them down and cast a particular shadow on their day, their week, even their life. I bet there are things that people have said to you that have stuck with you your whole life. Now think about, what are you saying to your friends, your family, your children? What kind of spell are you casting on them? And Sappho, an ancient poet, actually said, "Although only breath, words which I command are immortal." Think about that. Words are immortal. If I said something harsh to you today and I walked out and got hit by a bus, would you forget about what I said? No. If I said something kind to you and praised you and made you feel wonderful and maybe even changed the direction of your life and I died, would that take away those words? No. Words are immortal. They give us a chance to have a conversation across generations, across centuries, across lifetimes. So words are, in fact, our most inexhaustible source of magic. And we are going to talk about that over the next 4, 6, 8 weeks. There are actually a lot of things that I want to cover in these series about how we can use words to speak to both ourselves and to others. What's the message that we're sending to ourselves with some of the words that we use? So we are going to talk about word magic in depth. But until next Tuesday, pay particular attention to what kind of spells you're casting on your friends, your family, your co-workers, yourself. And when we come back on Tuesday, we'll share some of those experiences. Okay, well until then, here's wishing you much health and happiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get a reminder when there's a new video.